Okay, so today, gonna look at this nice knife by Anglo Arms again, because Anglo Arms is my favourite knife makers, I guess. It's a Bowie, Blackout Bowie it's called, 14 inches overall, 8-inch hand ground and polished blade. Handle is not inches, don't worry. The thickness of the blade at the the thickest point, 5mm. It's not bad. Oh, and also in the blade length in centimeters is 22.9, in case that is something you're knowing, not inches. The weight, it's nicely weighted, very nicely weighted. It's 608 grams, pound 5.4 ounces. It's balanced quite well. I mean, it's obviously not a thrown knife, but you know, still needs to be balanced well, which it is. So excellent. The handle is the green G10 handle. It's a nice wood finish on it. Ergonomic, nice to hold, fits very well in your fingers and your hands and whatnot. It's not specific to either side, so it's ambidextrously designed. I don't think that makes sense. You can use it ambidextrously, that's what I'm trying to say. Incredibly sharp, very sharp, so watch out for that. It is a knife, don't be an idiot. That's the standards you should have with any weapon, really. Don't be an idiot. It's got a nice little wrist strap. There we go. That's the word I'm looking for. It's got a nice little wrist strap, which is pretty good in case you're actually like hacking away at some bushes or something that slips out your hand. The design in the blade, I don't know what it is about it, but I just very much like it. The false edges on the top go down to the tip. The lower, well, the hand guard, the cross guard, not hand guard, this isn't that sword, the finger guard, has a lower section, as you can see. Looks very nice. I love the design that they've put into this when they were making it. It has also got a thumb indentation, or whatever you call it, section at the top, so if you're pushing down, cutting down on like roots or something tough, then you get more force behind it, which is pretty damn nice. I reckon this would be an amazing knife for like clearing bushes and shrubbery and, you know, just doing whatever you need to do for the night so see knee. Because it's very nicely hit. It's quite heavy. It's not like hit too heavy, but it's a lot heavier than most of my other Bowies, which is, I like it. I just like the knife. Full Tang as well. Haven't mentioned that yet. It's full Tang, which means the metal from the blade is all one piece, all the way down to the I was going to say pommel, but again, it's not a sword. All the way down to the handle, the base of the handle. It's all one piece of metal. So incredibly sturdy and easy to use, well weighted, great size, amazingly nice design, incredibly good materials. I'm trying to see if I can see the actual material used in it. I don't think it does not. It doesn't specify what kind of actual metal was used, but it's damn nice. And yeah, that's my showcase for this Blackout Bowie knife. Oh wait, I haven't actually got. Oh yeah, dumbass. The sheath for it. It's a thick tan faux leather. It has a clip, well, like a little lock in place sort of thing that actually folds over the cross guard, well, the finger guard, to keep it in place. Incredibly nice design, handmade and designed. Obviously, I mean, I don't know why. I mean, obviously, humans designed it. It's very just good quality, you know, well crafted. And yeah, that's the gist of it. But yeah, like I said, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to see some more Kniff videos. And yeah, have a good one. Bye.